Yoga, a Sanskrit word meaning unity, was developed in India over 5,000 years ago. Its practice focuses on breathing techniques, stretching positions, physical, mental and spiritual awareness, an open heart, a peaceful mind and a strong body. Yoga is not a religion, there are no doctrinal requirements, but most yoga practices of the 60s and 70s might have given that misconception because of the introduction of gurus or spiritual teachers. Gurus presented themselves as masters of both yoga techniques and the art of meditation. People new to all this often felt so good physically, emotionally and mentally when doing these practices that they felt a spiritual lift. Next, their desire to be closer to this guru and follow his instructions and words of wisdom made it seem like a religion. Worldwide, more than 300 million people practice yoga regularly. There are 84 useful poses called asanas, with variants stretching it to about 200. Yoga styles include Hatha, Kundalini, Iyengar, Vinyasa, Ashtanga and also Hatha Yoga. They're all mind-body practices. Today, yoga combines stress-relieving stretches with muscle toning and aerobics. Aside from a fitness perspective, yoga has been found to relieve or even cure physical ailments, including aching backs, menstrual pain, and even heart conditions. Namaste.
Visit healthinfocusnow.com.